There's so many interesting smells.
Go ahead and drop mine on the floor.
Oh, come on.
Alex, what? Go ahead and let mine in. I'm sorry? Go ahead and let
Put
mine
Ducky in.
Is he going short on one back leg?
Oh, we're stacking.
He's walking across the natural. He looked like he's going short on the near side back leg. Hey, Doc. Ducky says, hi, Mom. Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc.
Wow. Did you see that? Lex, you cut her off.
Yeah, I did.
Dork. She was ready to come around. Oh, she's a peeing.
Come here, you. Okay. He's going to Tennessee. He'll never see a sheep.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter whether you're interested or not.
Nope.
Come on, Doc. No, he's already, he belongs to Deb. Come on.
Well, the girls definitely have awareness and
She's looking at Kelly like, what do I do? What should I do?
We on your comfy base?
hey,
Okay, we're about done.
Well, she gave him another look. She might be done, but she still gave him another look.